Alt Shift L. Firefox tab. Blaze course visited link. Map enter. Course menu navigation reach enter. Quizzes and dash lays course quizzes and Alt Shift L. Quick link video enter. Linked item video caption with enter. Video caption in quiz and dash lays course dash Mozilla Firefox. Video caption in quiz and dash lays course dash Mozilla page has for Alt Shift L. Quick links video enter. Video caption in quiz if this item click enter. Begin video caption in quiz and begin Alt Shift L. Quick links heading level enter 1 enter. Take test video caption in quiz and dash lays course take test Alt Shift L. Quick links enter. Question 1 heading when was closed dash enter. Out next question button enter. Take test video caption in quiz. Alt Shift L. Quick enter. Top frame tabs heading level 2. Alt Shift L. Quick enter. Question 2 heading level tab. Which of the following the closed enter. First question next enter. Take test video caption if H has Alt Shift L. Quick links enter. Question 3 heading level tab. The Federal Communications Committee left enter. Next enter. Take test video caption in quiz and H has for Alt Shift L. Quick links enter. Question 4 left quote. How would a deaf viewer know whether there is a S W R enter. Take test video caption in quiz. Alt Shift L. Quick links enter. Question 5 heading level 3 what might be the effect a S W R save answer button save and submit enter. Dialog test submission enter. Save and submit button. Lays course dash Mozilla Firefox. Lays course dash Mozilla Alt Shift L. Quick links test submit enter. Course menu navigate discuss enter. DIY projects and dash lays course dash Mozilla Firefox. DIY projects and dash lays course dash Mozilla Firefox. Page has 4 regions. Alt Shift L. Quick link project number 1 dash accessible syllabus visited link. Project number 2 dash accessible powered enter. Linked item project number 2 enter. Upload assignment project number 2 dash upload assignment. Alt Shift L. Quick links 1. Assignment information link navigate to element 1. Enter. 2. Attach enter. File upload dialog. File name edit combo as tool search command some library close button to activate press level 2 pictures videos mute document mute pictures closed enter explorer page sample 2.png enter upload assignment project num column so enter. Review submission alert success. Your submission appears on this page. The submission confirmation not view all of your submission receipts in my Alt Shift L. Quick links heading level top enter. Course menu nav DIY Shift discussions visited link enter. Discussion board and dash lays course dash was discussion board Alt Shift L. Quick links heading level 2. Application discuss actions for content page visited link enter actions for content page module 1 dash introduction to enter forum module 1 dash introduction to accessibility and dash lays the forum Alt Shift L. Quick links heading navigation visit forum module 1 dash introduction actions for content enter actions for content require enter Thread colon required discussion number 2 dash X thread colon Alt Shift L quick link tab thread colon tab actions for enter actions for tab 0 tab the left tab play tab YouTube video tab a personal look at tab reply button alert message editor is ready star subject edit required read colon require tab content editor key link tab attach file button browse low shift tab content editor press alt F10 for DISCUSSION tab can tab say tab submit button enter star subject edit required discussion type alt shift L quick links head tab plays course visited link enter course menu navigation tab journals visited link enter journals and dash lays course dash Mozilla Fire journals and alt shift L quick tab action plan enter action plan heading level 3 link visited enter action plan heading level 3 link visited action plan and dash lays course dash Mozilla Fire action plan alt shift L quick tab enter action tab create enter create journal entry and dash lays course dash Mozilla Fire n space lang n e space JOURNAL tab enter content editor press alt F10 for N E W space JOURNAL tab post entry button enter action plan and dash lays alert success colon new journal alt shift L quick links heading left journal details visited link navigate the element journal details of type H2 and 6467186 range enter course menu tab enter migrate and dash lays course dash Mozilla Firefox migrate and dash lays course dash Mozilla Firefox page has 4 regions 8 headings and 30 alt shift L quick links heading level tab migrates visited link navigate the element migrates of enter migrates heading level 1 heading level order combo dash